Hello everyone, thanks for being in my funnel and reading it out. In this video, I'm going to show you how easily you can use Friend Connector and how actually Friend Connector works. So this page actually Google Chrome Web Store from where you can actually download a Friend Connector Pro into your PC. So here is a button, Add to Chrome button. Clicking on this and clicking on add extension, the friend connector easily gets added into your PC. This is the friend connector icon. Clicking on this, you can actually see the friend connector login page. To see the login page, you have to be in your Facebook profile. So here is my Facebook newsfeed where I'll run software friend connector. So here is the friend connector login page where I will log in using my user ID and password. I'm logged in right now, and this is the dashboard of the Friend Connector Pro. So in this dashboard, you can find the training video of this extension. You can easily go through it and you can understand how you can use that. Okay, so let's get into this extension mode. Here is one menu button. Clicking on this, you can see there are so many menu items are there, like delete pending requests, unfriend all, change password, settings, logout and cancel my account. By clicking on settings, you can actually create some messages which you want to send to your friends. You do not need to do anything manually. Friend Connector will do automatically everything for you. So I'll start by creating one segment. So from by clicking the add button, I'm creating one segment. Here you can use these keywords. If you use first name and last name, the person you are sending the message, the person's name and last name getting added in his messenger message. I'm just creating one new message. Like this, I have just added one segment and I will save this message segment. Now I'm going to the groups tab where I will create a test group, and there I can use message segment, static text and keywords. Here I'm going to use message segment. So my message segments are like this: greetings, thanks, welcome and test segment. Just now I have created test segment, so I'm going to use this. So I have added this segment and I'll add this. So I have just set up all the message segment and message group, as it will be automatically sent from Friend Connector. So in this settings, you can see 3 other tabs are there. By checking this, you can send 3 different type of messages to the persons, and the way it is written over here. The first one is send message when you receive a new friend request from someone. The second one is send message when you accept a friend request you received from someone. And the third one is send message when you decline a friend request you received from someone. So for now, I'm not going to use any of them. So I'm unchecking all 3 of them and I'm just saving the settings. Friend Connector is telling me your settings has been successfully set. Now I will go groups or pages from where I want to add some new friends who can be my actual leads, who can be my real audience for my products. So I'm choosing this group as Facebook ads and funnels. This is not necessary that you have to select some groups. You can go to your friends profile as well, and from your friends mutual friend list you can also send friend requests, but make sure the friend list is publicly visible. If it is private, you can't send friend request. Friend connector will not work for them. So for this group, the member page, I can access this members page. So obviously friend connector will also can access this page. Okay, so I'm going to run friend connector in this page, Facebook ads funnel. This is a group where member is there, and I'm going to run my friend connector inside this page. Okay, so here is the actual settings for friend connector, where I can set lookup interval. So there are 4 different intervals like auto, 3 minutes, 5 minutes and 9 minutes. It is always safe to use 9 minutes interval, because if you are sending back to back friend request, Facebook might think that you are a chatbot, you are a bot or something. So Facebook might block you. So to ignore that part, for your safety, just use 9 minutes or 5 minutes interval each friend request. So I'm choosing auto. It is between 30 to 60 seconds, just to show you immediately how how friend connector actually works in Facebook friend list. So you can check request limits like limited or infinite. If you are selecting infinite friend request will be sent from friend connector. But right now I'm actually using limited one, and number of requests I'm setting as 1. So there are some filters as well, like gender filter. If you select gender filter, you can choose whom you gonna add as your friend. It is male or female. That's also you can select. I'm not going to select this. Also you can use country filter. There are 2 country filters. One is tier level. There are 3 tier levels. You can choose any of them. Otherwise you can use country level. Here I am using India as per my choice. So friend connector will send the friend request only who belongs to India. So now I'm going to add some keywords. This is the vital part. From this keyword section, friend connector will know that okay, this kind of audience you want to add in your Facebook profile, and those specific friends, those specific people, friend connector will search from Facebook members page or friends page, and it will send a friend request to them. For me, I'm going to use CEO, then comma, then funnel builder, then affiliate marketer. So friend connector will send friend request who has this kind of tags in their profile, like CEO, funnel builder, affiliate marketer. You can always save your keywords for your future use, and it got saved inside this. You can edit that, delete that as well, and later you can use that. Every time you do not need to write the same keyword settings. Created one message group, which is test group. I'm going to add this test group, and I'm going to run this extension. Friend connector has started running. Friend connector is actually the people whom I have actually specified just now from the settings, and it is also giving me one notification that your script has been started. Do not refresh the page. So please do not refresh the page. And as you can see, I actually found this person. Sridhar is the founder and the CEO as well. And also by the name we can understand he is from India, and you can see he lives in Bangalore in India. This is the reason friend connector is now sending him the friend request. It will take some time to send the friend request, because immediately it will not do like that way, so that Facebook will not understand that we are actually running one bot. It is actually happening automatically, not manually. Otherwise my account can be blocked. This is the reason we actually created the extension like this. Friend connector sends the friend request, and it is giving me this kind of notification, and this is the icon which means that friend connector actually sends a friend request to this person. Let's see. As well as friend the message, I have just set it hello Shri. Here I have added that first name, hello first name, as in this guy's first name is Shri, so this is the reason he got this message as hello Shri. So this is how friend connector actually works. And if you want to use friend connector by yourself, send me your name and email ID through this form below, and I will create one user account for you. It will be a 7 days trial. Within this trial, I'll not ask for any money from you. I will tell you the offers and the prices. Thanks for watching.